Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Wuthering Waves account. So all you have to do is simply access the settings. So if you're in a game, simply pause your game and then access this page. And then from here, simply click on the settings icon that appear in the bottom right corner. Now within the settings, all you have to do is find the account settings icon, which is this one, is the last one. So click on that. And then within the account settings, find the user center option and click on go next to this option. Now give it a few seconds. Now you should get to the account center page. Now all you have to do is simply click on other at the bottom. And then you should see the option delete account. So click on delete account. And then now you should see application for account deletion. Now you have to read all this information so that you meet the criteria for your account to be deleted. And once you have read all this, you have to click this option. You have to check this option. I have carefully read and confirmed that my account meets the conditions for deletion. Once you're done, simply click on next. And then you have to read this notice. And keep in mind that deleting your account cannot be reversed, which means the deletion is permanent. So all you have to do is read all this. And then once you're done, simply check this option. I have carefully read and agreed to the account deletion agreement. And then simply click on next. And then from here, all you have to do is simply confirm your identity. So you have to type in the verification code sent to that particular email address. So all you have to do is simply click on get verification code. And then you have to complete this captcha. So just complete it quickly. And then once you're done, you should receive a verification code in this particular email address. Now type in the verification code. And once you have typed in the verification code, all you have to do is simply click on delete account. And that will delete your Wuthering Waves account. So that's basically it on how to go about this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.